we can create a shader to detect lighting and then determine which one is light and dark. But what if we just want something always to be in shadow? For example, here for the hair, if we move the lighting now, the light at the bottom never turns bright. How can we do this? Well, we could use the threshold texture once again, but then the further you zoom in, the more pixelated it will become. So it's limited by the resolution of the texture. So you would have to either make it very big or use a different solution. So the solution I would suggest, rather than using that, is to just create next to your shader that reacts to lighting, create two more, one of them being a pure shadow shader, and then one a pure light shader to turn something either always dark or always light. Let me show you what that could look like. So here, for example, you can see how they've applied basically a material to these faces that is always in shadow. Well, technically for this model, they actually didn't do that. They just either used a color and applied this to these faces, or they used like a threshold texture that is basically applied to these. But let's just create a new material, okay? Let's call this like a darkness. And then make this just like a very simple emission material and make this black. So this should be our shadow. What we can do now is just go here. Oh, all of these faces should be always dark, right? Now we just say, well, go to darkness material, assign it, and then this will always have this darkness material. And this is also very useful because now, no matter how far we zoom in, these edges don't have a texture resolution, so they will always be perfectly crisp. And then of course you can create the same setup for a highlight material, which is what they've done here, for example. See how these faces are perfectly shaped, like the highlight, like zigzag that you can see on the hair. It is so sharp because it is assigned to these faces. And that is how you can create something perfectly sharp and handcraft your lighting even more.